Hi friends, welcome to the channel, and in today's video, I will show you how you can easily update YouTube Studio app on your iPhone. Friends, please put your likes under the video, write your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let us get started with you. So, if you want to update this YouTube Studio app, you'll first need to go and find the App Store app on your iPhone. Once you go to that app, you'll need to click on the search box at the bottom, on the right-hand side here, and then type in the word YouTube Studio. When you find this app, click on it. And so you will have the word Update here. I'm going to show you this using a regular YouTube as an example. As you can see, I have YouTube requires an update, and you'll also have the word Update on YouTube Studio. You click on it, and literally in a second or two, it starts updating this application. It's actually a very quick process that doesn't take a lot of time. And you can follow the update either from the App Store, or if you log out of it, you'll be able to see the app update from your iPhone home screen, because they'll look like this, so grayed out. And you'll be able to keep track of when the app update is over. Once it's done, then you can easily open the YouTube Studio app and continue to work in it. That's how you can update the YouTube Studio app on your iPhone, friends. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, don't forget to write comments as well. Bye-bye.